you today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're making falafel. Yes, I'm gonna show you how to make the original falafel with a few twists. And falafel is very important these days. It's coming back, so popular for vegan, for gluten-free, and especially plant-based bite. So it tastes amazing for a plant-based bite. And today I have a competition with my sister who make better falafel. So my nephew is gonna be the judge. Of course, he's gonna take her side, his mom's side, but in his heart he knows my falafel is better. So let's start here. We have to soak the, I have chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and I have here some split fava beans. And double the water and soak 8 to 10 hours. 12 hours is fine, but if you're in a hurry, you can soak it for 10 hours, you're good to go. So they were soaked for actually 12 hours, and that's how exactly look alike. A split fava beans and the chickpeas or the garbanzo beans. And of course I wash them and rinse them. I want to chop the vegetables first. I have an onion, cilantro, fresh garlic, and salt and pepper. As you can see here, it's fine chop. Now I'm gonna add the chickpeas, split fava beans, and we're gonna fine crush them. We don't wanna make it as a paste, just a fine crush, so use the paws. Perfect, it's fine crushed now. Now let's transfer it into the bowl. Nice, that's how it looks like. And this is my first secret. It's a roasted sesame. I'm gonna crush it a little bit. It's gonna add amazing flavor to the falafel. And they're ready to go. Corn flour, coriander spice, and cumin spice. And this is my second secret. It's pickle juice. I have no choice but to reveal my secret so I can win the competition with my sister. Now we're gonna mix it very well. Now make a little well in the middle, and we're gonna add baking powder, a little bit of pickle juice, and you can see how it starts activating. Now we're gonna mix it again for the final, and you let it rest for 5 minutes. Make sure your oil is preheated in between 275 to 300, so it gives you a good result, especially for the falafel. So let's start with the first one, and very important to dip in the water so the falafel will slide easy. Now turn off. Now in the meantime, we're waiting for the falafel to chill. We're gonna make the tahini sauce for it. So what I have here, fresh garlic, voila, tahini, the sesame paste, lemon juice, salt, and we're gonna mix it very well. Now you can see it start thicken up a little bit. So now we're gonna add ice cold water, and very important, ice cold water, so you'll have the color nice and bright white. So you keep adding water till you have it nice and runny, same as this one here. Now I'm just gonna place it in the middle here. Can you hear this? Nice crunchy from the outside and soft from the inside. So let's continue building our falafel castle. Lovely. So you can serve it like this on a table with a side pita, or you can have a mini pita pocket, you put it inside, you put tahini sauce, tomato like this one here, or there's another option as well. Let me show you here. If you want to make a pita wrap, voila, just a little bit of arugula in the middle, couple of falafel, just crush them, a few slices of tomatoes, a few dill pickle, few onion, parsley, and cover it with the tahini sauce. And you wrap it, and to go as a pita wrap or the sandwich here. Let me give a try. Wow, what a difference in the taste when we add the toasted sesame and the pickle juice. So it gives amazing taste to the falafel. So it's a vegan, gluten-free, plant-based bite to add to your menu. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.